Today we are going to make these cute little hourglass quilt blocks.
You can make them in any size. Basically, you just need 2 squares of fabric that are the same size. So these ones are 5.5 inches. You can make them much larger, much smaller. It doesn't really matter. You just need both to be the same size. You want to have like a colored fabric, and then you want to have a more neutral fabric. So to start with, we're going to flip them so they're right sides together, and we're going to start like we're making a half square triangle. So we'll draw our line down the center, and then you sew 1/4 inch away from that. I like to just draw some guiding lines since I don't have a 1/4 inch foot. Then I just sew on these outer lines that I'm drawing 1/4 inch away from the center line. Okay, and then we'll just sew them up. We're going to cut along the diagonal in both directions. So if we would just do it like that, then it'd be a half square triangle. Okay, let's give them a quick little press. We're going to press towards the dark side. Okay, so now we just need to line them up so that they're opposite of each other. And then we'll just sew them. So we'll go like this, and we'll sew along this long side. We'll just give them a quick press, open them, and press to one side. So all that's left to do is to square them up, and they're ready to put in. You can just make a whole bunch of these. You can lay them like this, you can make them crisscross, you can add in different colors, whatever you want.